So what I got here, a friend of mine picked up this white Snow Boss 520. Let's go this way. Snowblower from a garage sale, and the previous owner repowered it with the Predator engine. So as you can see, runs pretty good. I'm assuming because it's a 520, that means it had a 5 horsepower engine on it, and now it's got the Predator 212cc, which they say is about 6.5 horsepower, so it's got more powerful engine on it. And well, can't really see the model number. A little bit. Try to clean that up a little bit more. There we go. So there it is. I haven't seen this thing throw snow yet, because we don't have much just yet. But there it is. It's possible to repower a white Snow Boss with a Predator engine. Thanks for watching.